Oh my God. Hey, this is a blood, dude. Oh, Philo, you are welcome. Oh, you are well. I know. It's cold. It's abroad. That's why I want you to stay in Africa. Hey, Sam. Samu. This is Philo. Philo. Oh my God. Her blood here at home. Cool. I'm very cold, you know. Very cold. Hey. So this is her blood. Thank God, you. I'm here. Her blood here at home. Sam. It's not small thing though. If you see the stress, if you see everything that happened today, hey God, light everywhere, her blood fine, oh, even as day dark, see light, left, right, and center, light, yeah, light there. Oh my God, I tire. Yes, so, hey, you are looking good though. See your hair, I like your hair. Oh. Aye, Sammy. I miss you, Sha. Sammy, I like your hair, Sha. Hey, Philo is that blood.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Blood. Sammy, let me hug you. Oh, sure, I will hug you. I will. Oh, thank you. We don't come. Philo, sit down, my love. Sit down, okay? You are welcome. Feel my heart. Hey, my husband. Sammy, man. Philo. Oh, how was everyone before you left? I hope everyone were okay. It's fine, yeah. Everything was fine, at least before I left to this blood. Oh my God. You know what happened? In the airport, Siko. The aeroplane was bringing me down. Oh my God. Oh, my ear was doing me. Fee-fo. Yes, my dear Philo. It's like that. Even me, I felt the same thing. If plane is coming down, you will feel the same thing. Yeah, that's why, my dear. It's like that for everybody. That aeroplane. Sammy, my husband. That aeroplane is not a small thing. I said, why did you come now to Nigeria to pick me? Oh, Philo, I know. I wanted to do that, but the money is too much now. You know we are managing. There's no money. If I come down to pick you from Nigeria, it's going to cost more money. That's why. Sorry, my love. Philo, feel my heart. You know, now you are here. Why did you let me pass through all this stress? So my husband is leaving this beautiful place like this. Oh, hey, Sammy. Anyway, now I'm happy. I'm here now. I go nowhere. Don't tell me I'll go back home. Hey, this place fine, Sha. Hey, so what's that one there? That one is Christmas. Hey, it's Christmas tree. I see that one sometimes. So in the, the other day we went to Mama Angela house. The woman that did the makeup for me. You remember when I told you that Mama Angela, the woman that did makeup. What do you say they call it? It's called makeup artist, my wife. Yes, don't worry. You will learn there. You are here now. This is English land. You will learn more, okay, my wife? Okay, makeup artist. The makeup artist has like that one inside our television. I saw it. It was interesting, and they put all the lights around. I was watching on the television. So now I have it in my house. I have it. I can't wait to start enjoying my husband's house. Sammy. Hey, here I come, my blood. Here I come. What's that? I don't want to break anything. Almost broke my vase. Take it easy. Calm down. Don't worry. You have all the time. You have all the enjoyment. The house is yours. Is it my fault? I don't want to break it. I just want to sit down. I'm just looking, though. You try. But me, I'm hungry. Sam, did you cook? Yes, my dear. Yes, my love. Yes, I made food for you. And what did you cook? Yeah, I made rice, my wife. Yes, rice. Me, I don't want that. Did you cook pando yam? Don't worry, Philoma. I have a goosey now. I will make better pando. Because I want you to be strong for me tonight. Hey, now you are talking. I can go. I bet you don't have me pounding yam. My dear Philo, no, you know this is abroad. You don't use mortar here. We only pound it. We turn it on the pot. Pound them now. If you don't put them for mortar, come here. I will come and pound it. Let me see rest more. Hey, this place is beautiful. Her blood fire. If you see all the light on our way, the man that you say you should bring me here, he was still driving. Woo. I was looking left, right, and center. I said, her blood fine. Hey, me. Her blood, here I come. I go nowhere. Oh, Philo, my wife. It's like that. This is not Nigeria now. We have light 247. There must be light in the way or your way, left, right, and center. No, my dear, I never mean to send you back. I don't have that one in my agenda. Forget it. You are here with me. I know. I didn't say you say I want to go. I say I go. No, even though you even tell me to go, me go. Hey, go where? I don't go anywhere. I'm going to enjoy this blood. That your Christmas tree fine, Sha. See, I say fine. So this is not my house. Philo, the village champion. They never see. When me I go start. All my makeup, all my style. Philo. Me I will call Mama Angela tomorrow. I tell Mama Angela, say I don't do her blood. I'm not their class anymore. Big girl level. All right. Make I go help my husband pound yam. Philo, I said it before. We don't pound yam here, okay? Yeah, I'm turning it. I just say let me come and check on you, okay? You can come, my love. Come with me. No, I know. Okay, okay. You put up pound yam here. All right. No verse now. No. I just say now. You know, for our village with the pound yam, we know the. Now pound with the pound now, you know. Okay, you know they turn out for pot. I don't know now. No be smoothie or to be a blood. To be in a blood, no be smoothie. Okay then. Okay, bro. Make I go make her.
Wait. You don't laugh finish, you just want the wrong go. No, now press that red button to subscribe. Yes, that red button, press on to subscribe. Now, yeah, press that bell. That school bell, press am to the get our notification. Now if you dey go, thank you. A lawyer.